Hey guys, it's Arielle Fox and welcome back to my channel. You notice I have pink hair now. The idea was to have it like more of a pastel pink, but because my hair is so light, really bright pink, which might fade to a pastel pink, but I'm not mad at it. I quite like it, so I might keep it for a bit. It's a bit of a weird video for me because it's a little bit different from what I normally do. Please excuse my dog. He is here as well today. He might be creeping and crawling around the back of the camera because he wants to be in here with me while I'm filming. So you might see him wandering around. I'm going to do a video on Meet My Dog at some point soon. I just need to get some more footage of him like out and about and cute things to put in that video. Anyway, back to what I was saying. This is something that I've been obsessed with for quite a while now and I keep looking at them. It's kind of like a guilty pleasure, but like people pulling apart slime on Instagram, like I keep watching these videos and I'm quite fascinated with watching people playing with slime. It's a bit weird. I'm really late to doing something like this and I know that there's like a million slime videos all over YouTube, but if you've managed to stumble across my video or if you're already following me anyway and want to see me doing one of these videos, then today I'm going to be making some slime. Before we get into today's video, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe below. I post loads of other videos like this, and if you want to see one just featuring this cheeky chap, then that will be coming soon. He is biting me, but he is still a puppy, so he's still quite nibbly. And we're trying to work with that, aren't we? But it's not going very well. I have two pots, two different types of slime. I have this glitter palette Gooshakes. I'm making slime from scratch. I'm going to be trying out some of these ready kits for making slime because I wasn't sure exactly what I needed and I'll probably bollocks it up without instructions. So this is my Gooshakes slime pot. So this is my next pot and this is Poopsies Slime Surprise one. I saw on American Guy's channel opening this up. This is Poopsie slime. I bought it because it's funny and it was quite cheap and it's a bit of a surprise one, and I know you guys like it when I open surprise stuff. Here's the Poopsie slime. As you can see, you get one of these little poop things and then you make your own slime. Inside this I have some surprise, and these are cute little stars. And then I also have some orange powder. So my slime powder is in my pot and now I've got to fill the water. I pour my surprise in, which is these pretty little stars. I'll show you up close once they're in the slime so you can see what they look like. They're just like little sparkly pretty stars. My lid on. Make sure it clicks tight and shake for minimum 30 seconds until you feel the slime form. It is very watery. I don't think I can feel anything forming, and like the lid is on really tight, but I feel like bits are splashing out. Finn really wants this. So that's the slime all shaken up. I'm going to put that aside for 5 minutes with the lid off and we'll get on to opening the Poopsie. So next up we have the Poopsie. I'm really excited about opening this one. That's why I've saved it for last because it's mental. We're going to open this up. I wonder which one we've got. There's lots of different ones on the front. Different types of Poopsies. So if you pull the top off, so in the top, I think these bags are the thing that you mix it in. A little cup for your water and the Poopsie. We'll get onto those in a second. I've got instructions too, which I'm definitely going to need. So what's quite fun about this, and this makes me such a child, that you can unravel this like toilet roll. So if you peel the sticker, you should be able to unravel it. So in here you've got your unicorn food for your slime, and then unicorn magic, which is what you put on after, and then this I presume is, I don't know, something. Let's open this one first because I think this one's going to be the boring one, which will be my cup. Measuring cup, nice and fancy. Packaging is really pretty. This is a number 2. It's got number 2 on it. Little slurpy pot. Opens up so you can keep your slime in there, and I think we'll mix it into there as well. Is my poop. It's a fish poop. Then it opens at the bottom, I think. Try not to mess it up. And then you can put slime in and take it around with you, because why wouldn't you want to take your slime everywhere? So Poopsie is now to one side. We're going to get on with making our slime. Open spoon. I don't know if these have got any patterns on them at all. Spoon has got a little unicorn on, and then a little angry cloud at the bottom. This is scented slime, which I'm kind of excited about. A little unicorn bottle, and it's got a number on it, but I don't know what it's supposed to smell like. I don't know what it smells like. It sort of smells like Sweeties or pop, fizzy pop. I don't know what it is, but it smells really, 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 really good. So hopefully this slime works and the smell will last, because this will smell good in my slime. I don't know what I do with those yet, so I am going to read the instructions and make sure I get this right. Line here, so the fill line, I'm going to put it in my pot. And then we need to do it again. That's my fill line perfectly, that one. And then we put that in there. 5 drops. The surprise scent. I'd love to know what the smell is. I can't put my finger on what it is. 1, 2, 3. Came out at the same time. 4, 5. So now we need our unicorn food. I don't know what the magic does. I'm quite intrigued to see that. Apparently you can get rare ones as well. For this one, the packet for the slime stuff is way, way, way smaller than the packet that came in my other one. So I don't know whether this will make less or whether it's extra powerful. Ooh, it's pretty. It looks like it's a greeny blue colour. I think this one's going to be a really pretty one. That's all in there now, and then I need to put the lid on firmly. One says to shake for a minute, so I'll be intrigued to see which one turns out better, because they're very different. I'm just going to shake this for a minute. Now that this one's done, I'm going to put it to the side, and we are going to look at the next one. So I've come back from this one developing. So we're going to get this one out and have a look. It does look very frothy in there. So I don't know how well it's developed. It's very sticky slime. I'm just going to let it blow out. Ew! It's so sticky. I feel like I'm making one of those videos now that I keep seeing. I think that I put too much water in this, even though I followed the instructions. It does seem to be a proper sticky. Very gooey. It is satisfying though. Just to watch it smush around. As I'm playing with it, it doesn't seem to be changing in consistency. So I think that one is just failed maybe. Where it says to make your play space safe, it is everywhere, look. And it's really pretty though. It has my stars in it, but it's everywhere. So I'm gonna go and clean myself up because I'm a and I've tidied myself up from all the slime disaster, and I'm ready to open my Poopsie slime. Right, looking forward to this one because I have a really good feeling that this one's going to be better than the other because it had a longer developing time. This time I've noticed my orange one has hardened a lot more. So we will revisit this mess later, and I'll show you up close what the stars look like because they're really pretty. Already that looks way further than the runny stuff, and it doesn't seem to just be falling out into my hand like the other one. This unicorn spoon for getting my slime out, and we've got to add our unicorn magic. I don't know what that's going to do, and I'm intrigued. So this one is proper fam. And it smells delicious. I might put some more of that on there as well because there's not actually that much. So let's see what unicorn magic does. I'm really intrigued to see how this changes it. That's that all smushed on my hand, yummy. And then we pour this packet onto it. Pretty sure what this is going to do. Very intrigued. I should have got scissors to cut these open because it's really hard to get stuff out of them. Powder is on my slime, as you can see, so I'm just gonna fold that in. This is really fun to do. Just gives you an excuse to play with it some more. I don't know what it's doing to my slime. I added all of the shimmery stuff into my slime. You can see it is like a really shimmery, nice pale blue now instead of the dark blue before. and it's really stretchy and slimy. But it's so fun to play with. I really hate it when it rips though. I wish it was less rippy. As you can see, this one's worked out way better than my other one. It's not leaving any gross residue on my hands. Overall, I'm quite happy with the way this one's turned out. I'm going to put that number 2 slime in my Poopsie pot. So going back to this slime, I'm going to get this out again and give it a second go because it looks like it's hardened now. This one is way more stretchy, which is really fun. So this one's more fun to play with, but it does get your hands gross. This was the cheaper one of the two. I think this one was £2 and then the other one was £8. And this is really pretty because you don't have to have this special edition to have the pretty stars in, because this doesn't have rares and ultra rares. This is just literally a surprise blob. And I was lucky enough to get the one with stars in. If you can see the stars, if I pull it open more, maybe you can. But as you can see, it is way more stretchy and it seems to have calmed down now, so maybe this one needed longer. I think this one's been developing now for about 40 minutes because I let my other one for 20-ish, and then I had my coffee and then I've settled down for a bit, so I've given this one quite a while. So if you're getting this brand, then please just leave it alone for as long as possible because it really does need some more time to develop. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions for me or any feedback on my video, please drop that below. Please also drop me a comment below if you've tried any killer slime and what your favourite brand is. I'd like to try some more and do some more on my channel, and if you also want to see me do that, please give me an idea of what type of slime you want me to try. Thank you, goodbye!